Welcome to my channel Job Opening and Career. This channel is for education and career purpose. The Indian Institute of Management Calcutta was as the first national institute for postgraduate studies and research in management by the Government of India in November 1961, in collaboration with Alfred P. Sloan School of Management, MIT, the Government of West Bengal, the Ford Foundation, and the Indian industry. Over the years, IIM Calcutta has grown into a mature institution with a global reputation, imparting high quality management education. It has been playing a pioneering role in professionalizing Indian management through its postgraduate and doctoral level programs, executive training programs, research, and consulting activities. IIM Calcutta is one of only three triple accredited business schools in India and the first to get the recognition. In addition, it is also the only business school in India that is a part of the CMS. What is AI? Intelligence, AI, is a broad field of science and computer research that involves building machines and computers that can perform tasks that typically require human intelligence. AI systems use technologies to enable machines to learn, reason, and act in ways that are similar to humans, such as seeing, understanding, and responding to language, analyzing data, and making recommendations. AI systems can learn to recognize patterns and trends, solve problems, and predict future events by analyzing large amounts of training data. They can also adjust to new inputs and perform human-like tasks. About the program. Advanced program in AI for Leaders, offered by IIM Calcutta in collaboration with Talent Sprint, is tailored for senior professionals across diverse industries and verticals. It is a 12-month program that offers a comprehensive understanding of the role of AI in business transformation. Participants gain insights into the latest AI trends, enabling them to steer their businesses adeptly amidst rapid industry evolution. This AI for Leaders course strikes a harmonious balance between theoretical understanding and practical application, offering participants a well-rounded learning experience. The curriculum is thoughtfully structured to foster cross-functional collaboration within organizations, empowering leaders to leverage the potential of AI in business. You will benefit from a wealth of knowledge shared through IIM Calcutta faculty-led sessions, supplemented by a highly interactive pedagogy that integrates real-life case studies, assignments, and capstone projects. There will be to-campus visits of 3 days each, enabling in-person interaction with IIM Calcutta faculty, additional subject experts, and cohort peers, further enhancing your learning journey and fostering deeper engagement. Upon completing the program, you will receive an executive education certification from IIM Calcutta and the prestigious IIM Calcutta Executive Alumni Status. The IIM Calcutta Advanced First B school in India to get accreditation by Equus, Amba and Archer. Member of CMS. India's only B school to be part of this global alliance of leading business schools, multinational companies, and NGOs. Ranked number 1. BTMDRA Best B School 2023, Fortune India Best B School Survey 2023, Open Magazine's Best B School Survey 2024. Ranked number 4. India ranking by NIF 2023. High impact program tailored for season IIM Calcutta certification. Get recognized as the alumni of IIM Calcutta Executive Education, a B school with Triple Crown status and a member of CMS. AI for competitive advantage. Participants gain a comprehensive understanding of AI's transformative power, essential for leading in the fast-evolving AI-driven age. Immersive learning. The program offers an industry-trusted pedagogy comprising sessions by IIM Calcutta faculty, use cases, capstone projects, and campus visits. This program is ideal for senior leaders and executives in current or aspiring for leadership positions and who are looking forward to deploying AI in business. Experienced professionals across various industries and sectors, regardless of their specific domain. Entrepreneurs and business owners looking forward to understanding how AI can fuel innovation and growth in their ventures. Program curriculum. Each module crafted for the AI for Leaders course deep dives into the fundamentals of AI, its business applications, and its impact on the future of work. Module 1. Learning AI Basics of AI and its Evolution Industry 4.0 and the role of AI in driving digital transformation, predictive and prescriptive analytics, analytics maturity of a firm. Module 2. Fundamentals of AI ML, fundamentals of machine learning, supervised and unsupervised learning models, task-based versus foundation models, basics. 3. Unleashing generative AI potential from Chat GPT-4 to enterprise-level platforms, custom models for productivity and business growth, innovation and value creation through generative AI. Module 4. Leveraging AI for strategic decision-making, data-driven decision-making, data to strategic insights, applications of machine learning models, transformative impact of Chat GPT and AI ML on business data analytics. Module 5. Simplifying digital marketing with AI, content strategy and creation using generative AI, creatives and at content simplified, improving search and social media marketing using AI. Module 6. AI-powered sales and marketing, AI-powered lead generation to conversions, understanding and implementing MarTech, AI-powered marketing analytics for decision-making, driving loyalty with AI. Module 7. Operations and supply chain with AI, achieving high efficiency with automation and re-engineered processes, optimizing resources with AI to build sustainable supply chains, driving agility and resilience with supply chain intelligence and predictive maintenance. Module 8. AI in human resources and talent management, enhance recruitment processes, people analytics, AI-powered performance management. Module 9. Financial decision making with AI, AI for financial analysis, AI in fintech, AI for investments and financial markets, AI enabled fraud detection and risk management. Module 10. Leadership in the AI era, reimagining business models with the transformative power of AI, shaping the future. Predictions for AI's impact on business and society, defining an ethical and responsible AI policy, redefining roles and responsibilities in the AI age. Module 11. AI in action, select enterprise level AI platforms, generative AI applications, comparing platforms and applications for enterprise deployment. Capstone project. Eligibility. Applicants should be working professionals, self-employed. Education, graduates, postgraduates in any discipline with min 50% marks. Experience, minimum 10 years of work experience with an impactful career path. Admission process. Apply for the program. Submit document. Await selection. Join program. Scan copies to be submitted within 7 days. I. Education certificate. 2. Experience letter, latest pay slip. Selection for the program will be done by IIM Calcutta and is strictly based on education, work experience and motivation of the participants. Class start December 2024. Click on the below link to apply. Link also provided description and comment section. Registration fee 20,000 rupees with hours of receiving the selection email. First installment 1,36,000 rupees within 15 days from the day the registration fee is paid. Second installment 1,56,000 rupees 10th March 1925. Third installment 1,56,000 rupees 10th July 1925. So the total program fee 4,68,000 rupees. Asterisk 18 GST extra as applicable. Experience AI beyond theory. This is a 12-month AI for Leaders program perfected for professionals comprising 120 hours of immersive learning supported by live interactive sessions by IIM Calcutta faculty, best-in-class course content, insightful industry sessions, quizzes, case studies, assignments, and capstone projects. Participants will have two IIM Calcutta campus visits of 3 days each. Note, the schedule for campus immersion will be shared at a later date. Faculty-led live sessions will be held every Sunday from 3:30 p.m. to 6:30 p.m. Classes starting from December 2024. Gain IIM Calcutta alumni status. Get an IIM Calcutta email address after your course completion. Access to alumni portal to stay connected with the elite IIM Calcutta. Executive alumni network of 27,000 members. Network with all IIM Calcutta executive education alumni. Get updates on alumni achievements, jobs, and live project opportunities. Be entitled for a discount of 5% on program fee on opting for other IIM Calcutta executive programs. Gain IIM Calcutta certificate as sample. Thanks for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe.